Can masturbating help ease constipation? Whenever I get backed up, just pleasing myself for a few minutes can get the ball rolling. The other day, my boyfriend walked in on me. I explained, but he didn't buy it. He said there is no link between the two systems and said it was just an excuse for my sexual dissatisfaction. That is not true. I am completely satisfied with him. He asked for proof. Please, is there any medical proof linking masturbation to regularity and bowel movements?
Hi there.
Hi.
There is no evidence to suggest that constipation will be helped with masturbation. This is something that may be specific for you.
Really?
Yes. So this has no evidence. But maybe something specific to you only.
But can you give me a reason as to why it would work for me? Is it a muscular thing, an endorphin thing, or just an anomaly?
Could be hormonal. Or related to stimulation of the autonomic nervous system. Like erection is parasympathetic. And ejaculation is sympathetic act. The GI tract is mainly controlled by parasympathetic system.
But then, wouldn't it make me want to poop every time I orgasm during sex? It doesn't work when I am with someone else, only when I am with myself.
Okay. That also indicates that the state of mind that you are in also plays a role.
So it's a completely mental thing?
Yes. Could be a mental thing. Definitely. Sorry for the late reply. Anything else that you would like to ask? Most likely I think it is a mental thing. Most likely. Not related to anything else. People with irritable bowel syndrome, who have constipation chronically, usually have mental issues. And once their mental issues are solved, they do feel better. So that might be the case with you as well. Are you with me? Are you there? Do you have any further questions for me?
I'm here.
Anything else that you would like to ask? Let me know if you have any further questions.
So basically, if my mind was at ease, I would not have intestinal issues?
Yes. You may not have had these issues.
But even as a child, I had digestive issues with constipation.
It could be multiple things causing your constipation. One of them seems to be the mental aspect for sure. Okay. If you have any further questions, do let me know. Please click accept if you found my responses helpful. Take care. Goodbye, smile.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.